Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Sagarwar and today I am going to explain Active Directory. What is Active Directory? So what is Active Directory? Active Directory is a centralized service developed by Microsoft for the Windows domain networks. It manages users, computers, group and other resources in the hierarchy structure. It's act as a database plus access manager for the secure network management. Active Directory also provide authentication and authorization to the all users and the computers and the connected other devices to the inner network. Brief history and the evolution. So Active Directory first introduced by Microsoft in Windows 2000 server. It evolved into enterprise IT backbone. Components include ADDS, ADFS, ADLDS, and Azure AD. These are the terms which used in the Active Directory, which gives some certificate of Active Directory and other resources. It support on premises, hybrid and cloud environments. Key function of the Active Directory. The first key function of Active Directory is centralized identity management. It's the all functions are components and users are active can access from one central manage. Authentication and authorization. It is a very important key function of the Active Directory. And the other is resources organization declaration. Active Directory also enhance policy enforcement with the group policies. Core component of Active Directory structure. So in this slide we will go through the core structure of the Active Directory. Domain. First is domain. It's logical group and shared policies. Second, tree is the tree in which the things connected in a tree manner. There's first top and then like this. Forest, top level container with the shared configuration. And the objects, user, computers, printer, etc. In an organization, there are different type of the machines are set up, which include computers and some printers and some other devices like surveillance, which all components can manage by a centralized person or admin. Active Directory Domain Service ADDS, the most common service of AD. It is a very most common services which comes in the AD. Manages login, group and access policies. It's also help in manages login of the users, how many people are going to log in, how many people are logged in and logged out in the group, and access policies. This create the policy for the group, rules and rule on domain controllers. Enforce security and standards. It also enforce the security in the active in the workplace and every enforce security and standard to the all users so that no one can interact with other users and other cannot delete and update other users data. Other active directory services. These are the other activity directory services which are listed here, and we also have read these ADLDS in the previous slide. ADFS, ADCS and Azure AD. So what is ADLDS? Lightweight Directory Service. It is called Lightweight Directory Service. And another ADFS, Federation Service of SSO. ADCS, Certification Service for Encryption. It helps encrypt the data and also do not let other people interact with other user. And Azure AD, Cloud-based Identity Service. Like group policy and security. It uses GPUs to manage users and computer settings, enforce password, software desktop rules, central control, which is better security or and compliance. Advanced advantages of using Active Directory. So here are the some listed advantage of using Active Directory. Centralized administration, which is very most advantage of using Active Directory, because if we are if or strong security and access control, it help to admin in security control and access control, that no one can unauthorized person can log in into systems without their permission. Highly scalable, and it can scale to the n number of the machines in a organization. Support modern protocols, easily integration with Microsoft tools, because it is developed by Microsoft, so it is easy to say that Microsoft tool integration will be very easy. Summary and the final thoughts. AD is essential for secure, scalable identity and management, backbone of enterprise IT infrastructure. It supports hybrid and cloud with Azure AD. Must know the sign, sign admin of the IT pros. Thank you.